Hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी का. How are you guys doing today? I'm fantastic as always. So welcome to day 25 of 28-day gratitude challenge from this amazing book, The Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Day 25 is about Cue the Magic. It starts with a quote: "Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us." Written by Flora Colau, writer and therapist. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life, because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams, so it plays its part in the game of giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surrounds you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it is your magic cue to be thankful for great news. If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for your children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cue to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in a have to cup of coffee, or you have to them access the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now. When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you're being given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's your magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day life. You can never misunderstand the magic cue or get a cue wrong, because whatever you think a cue is for, you are right. The universe uses the laws of attraction to magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice I know automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it is a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM, or I see people in line at an ATM, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mind. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it is a cue to be grateful for the day ahead, or a great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect weight. You can never do too much gratitude, so you can choose to do more, and if you want, you can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you have been following the daily magical practice over the last 24 days, you will have reached the point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude's magical power is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. So, universe, cue the magic. Now, let's understand today's magical practice number 25. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2. Today, be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect weight. 3. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with a notebook and a pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music, in my channel there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude and feel them. It's like you express your feeling for something which is going to change your life completely. So do it, guys, and all the best for you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear masks, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour so that you are safe and your family is also safe.